How to turn on live captions on Windows PC. Click on the start icon that you can see at bottom. Hover over the gear icon. Click on the option for settings. Once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. In Windows 11, you'll be able to find the option for accessibility. In other windows, you can find the option for ease of access. Click on it. Now you can access various options over here. Simply scroll down. Under the section for hearing, you'll be able to find the option for closed captions. Click on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the settings related with closed captions. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the option for closed captions. Right over here, you should be able to find the options for toggling it on. Simply toggle the switch on. After that, you'll be able to see the preview. Likewise, you can also change the caption styles over here. After you do that, the caption will be turned on. So like this, you'll be able to turn on live captions on Windows. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.